Today we'll be making my favorite banana bread recipe. All the ingredients and measurements will be down below. This recipe will make 2 loaves. To a bowl of flour, add in sugar, baking soda, salt, and give it a good mix. For our wet ingredients, add in eggs and coconut oil. You can also use butter instead. Stir to mix. In a separate bowl, mash up 4 bananas. Now we can add in our mashed bananas to our mixture. Fold in and make sure the bananas are fully incorporated into the mixture. Then add in vanilla extract and milk. Make sure it's all mixed in together. Now add in some walnuts to the mixture, but make sure to save some to coat on the top. Now that the walnuts are folded in, we can scoop our mixture into our tins. You'll notice that the mixture is quite thick. Make sure to give your tins a good shake, and now we can place our walnuts on top. Bake at 320 for 50 to 60 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. And there you have it, a delicious banana bread. I hope you enjoy!